Welcome to Auren Mindset, Stoicism for the Digital Age. In a world of heartbreak, chaos, and constant distraction, Auren Mindset is your quiet path back to stillness and strength. We blend ancient Stoic wisdom with modern emotional challenges, digital burnout, anxiety, heartbreak, trauma to help you heal deeply, think clearly, and live resiliently. What you'll find here: 1. Deep voiceovers grounded in the words of Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus. 2. Emotional healing content for breakups, loss, and silent pain. 3. Stoic motivation to master your mind and protect your peace. 4. Mindset resets for creatives, seekers, and quiet leaders. 5. Minimalist visuals and calm storytelling with timeless truths. Whether you're healing a wound, navigating chaos, or chasing purpose, Auren Mindset is your sanctuary to rebuild from within, one reflection at a time. Rebuild your mind. Control your heart. Rise with strength. Subscribe and live Stoicism not in ancient Rome, but right now.